Hello student, all of you are most welcome on my channel. In this video, I will be discussing about important subphylum, that is subphylum Vertebrata. In a previous video, I have discussed about subphylum Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata in a brief, but here I will be discussing about subphylum Vertebrata in detail. If you are studying in class 11th and you are preparing for your school examination as well as NEET examination, then this video is for you. So let us start this video. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch that video for better understanding. So let us start this class, that is subphylum Vertebrata. So subphylum Vertebrata. Here, notochord is present, and that notochord is in adult, it is converted into vertebrates, a vertebral column. That's why they are known as vertebrata. If we see the classification of this subphylum Vertebrata, they are also known as craniata. So vertebrates are divided into agnatha. That means they are jawless. They don't have jaws. And second is what? Gnathostomata. They bear what? Jaws. Jaw is there, and without jaw, jawless, and with jaw. So those animals with jaw, they are classified into Gnathostomata, and those animals without jaw, they are what? Classified into Agnatha. Now in Agnatha, there is one class that is called Cyclostomata. This is our Cyclostomata. And in Gnathostomata, there are two superclass. Superclass Pisces, they bear fin. Superclass Pisces, and then second is what? Superclass Tetrapoda, they bear limbs. So in this video, I will be touching about this portion only. In next video, I will be talking about this superclass Tetrapoda. So this superclass Pisces is divided into two classes, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. And superclass Tetrapoda is divided into, they bear limb. Limb means legs, hands. They have what? They bear limbs. So they are amphibians, reptiles, the class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Apes, and class Mammalia. They are the classes of superclass Tetrapoda. This chart is very important. You have to remember this chart. Sometime this portion will remain blank and you will be asked to fill these blanks. So you can remember this very easily. Vertebrata divided in agnatha without jaw, with jaw, Gnathostomata. Agnatha is having one class, that is Cyclostomata. Here petromyzin is the example, then superclass Pisces is there, Chondrichthyes means cartilaginous fishes are there, that like shark come in this category, then Osteichthyes means roe come, bony fishes, they come in this category, Osteichthyes. Then amphibians, that frog is there, reptilia, snake and lizards are there, apes, different types of birds, and in class Mammalia, the mammals are included. Now I will be discussing about the class Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. Okay, all are ectoparasites and some fishes. They are ectoparasite. They are having circular mouth and their suckers are there. So with the help of these circular mouth, they attach with themselves with the host. This is the host, and here it is what? Cyclostome attached with the body of this fish. They have elongated body. See, body is elongated. This body is elongated. without scales and paired fin. There is no paired fin and there is no scales. They are having 16 to 15 pairs of gill slit here. Gill slit are 6 to 15 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits they are having for respiration. Sucking and circular mouth without jaw. Mouth is sucking, circular, and there is no jaw. Cartilaginous cranium and vertebral column is there. Cranium is made of cartilage and vertebral column is there. Circulation is closed type, marine, but migrate for spawning to fresh water. After spawning, they die. Their larvae after metamorphosis return to ocean. So they are mostly exclusively marine. But for giving the laying eggs, they migrate to fresh water. But after spawning, they die. Their larvae after metamorphosis return to ocean. Some example of this class Cyclostomata and Petromyzon, they are also known as lamprey and myxine, that is hagfish. So lamprey and hagfish belong to class Cyclostomata. They are parasitic. See, this is the fish, this is the fish. Here, this is a Petromyzon attached with the body of this fish. Now, next is what superclass Pisces. Superclass Pisces, they means they bear fins. For swimming, they have fins. So this superclass Pisces is divided into two classes. That is what Chondrichthyes, that is cartilaginous fish, and Osteichthyes, that is bony fishes. So Pisces superclass divided into two classes. First is what Chondrichthyes, that is, they are also known as cartilaginous fishes, and second is Osteichthyes, they are also known as bony fishes. These all are what Chondrichthyes, and these are what Osteichthyes. Now let us discuss what is difference between class Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. They are marine. Chondrichthyes, they are marine. Okay, all of them are cartilaginous fishes are found in this marine water. Streamlined body, predaceous. Here, they are marine as well as freshwater. They are found in freshwater as well. So bony fishes, they are also found in what freshwater. Their body is also streamlined body. Cartilaginous is endoskeleton. In the class Chondrichthyes, the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. So cartilaginous endoskeleton. Notochord is persistent throughout the life. Here, the endoskeleton is made up of what? Bones. So bony endoskeleton, and this is the cartilaginous endoskeleton. Here in the Chondrichthyes, mouth is position of mouth is ventral. They have powerful jaw. Mouth is what? Ventral. Their mouth is what? Ventral. If we see their mouth is not at the terminal region. It is not here, but it is what? Here. Mouth is here. So ventral mouth is there. Gill slit, and here mouth is in class Osteichthyes. The mouth is what? Terminal. This is what? Mouth. This is what? Terminal mouth. Where this mouth is what? Terminal. In the Chondrichthyes, gill slits without operculum, gills covering. These are the gills. They don't have operculum, but here the gills are covered with operculum. This is the operculum is here, but here there is no any type of operculum. So here four pairs of gills with operculum on each side. Class Chondrichthyes, they have skin with a placoid scale. These are the placoid scale. These are the placoid scales. This is a placoid scale. So they are having scales and body surface. This time there are different type of scales. So they are having placoid scale. Teeth are modified placoid scales. These teeth are nothing but they are what? Scale. They are modified placoid scale which are backwardly directed. Their teeth are what? Backwardly directed. And so that once food is going inside, it cannot come outside. Here in the class Osteichthyes, scales are cycloid and tenoid type. This is what cycloid and tenoid type of scales are there. Here they are what? Smooth. Here there are smooth. In placoid scale, there is a sharp ridges are there, triangular ridges are there. In cycloid, it is circular and surface is smooth, and in tenoid, here these spiny projections are there. No air bladder, so they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. So in this class Chondrichthyes, there is no air bladder, so they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Here, air bladders for buoyancy. In case they are not swimming, then even they can survive. There is no chance for what? Sinking because they are having air bladders. This is what air bladder membrane. They are picolothermous conductors. They are kilothermos, and that is cold-blooded animals. Here also class Osteichthyes, they are also kilothermos. They are cold-blooded animals. In class Chondrichthyes, two-chamber heart, one auricle and one ventricle. There is one auricle and one ventricle is there. From sinus venosus, blood enter into atrium. From atrium, it goes to ventricle. From ventricle, it goes to what? Coronus arteriosus. There are many valves are there. So here, two-chamber heart is there. In Osteichthyes also, there are two-chamber heart, one auricle and one ventricle. One auricle is there and one ventricle. In class Chondrichthyes, sexes are separate. In males, pelvic fins bear clasper. Here this male, okay, here pelvic fins, they are having claspers. They are having clasper. In female, there is a cloaca is there. In female, there is a cloaca. Internal fertilization, many are viviparous. Here they are viviparous. This means they give birth to baby. They don't deposit eggs, they give birth to baby. In class Osteichthyes, the also sexes are separate. There is external fertilization. Here in class Chondrichthyes, fertilization is internal. But in class Osteichthyes, the fertilization is what? External. Mostly oviparous. Oviparous means they deposit eggs. They lay eggs. And here development is direct. This is the female. It is having the female ovary, and this is the male testis. Some example of these classes, class Chondrichthyes example, Scoliodon, it is also known as dogfish. Carcharodon, great white shark, this is what white shark. This Pristis, this is sawfish, sawfish. Trigon, it is known as stingray, it has poisonous sting. Then torpedo, electric ray, it has electric carbon. So these are the representative pieces for the class Chondrichthyes. Then examples of Osteichthyes plus Osteichthyes. There are marine fishes like Ixocoetus. It is also flying fish. Ixocoetus, flying fish. Then Hippocampus. It is seahorse. Freshwater fish Labio. That is rohu. Catla, Clarius, Mango. These are the freshwater fish. Aquarium, there fishes beta fighting fish, Pterophyllum angelfish. So this is beta fighting fish, and this is what Pterophyllum angelfish. So these are some of the members of class Osteichthyes. In next video, I will be discussing about superclass Tetrapoda, and I recommend you like, comment, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get many more updates related with class 11th and class 12th biology. These lectures are useful for your school examination, board examination, as well as NEET examination. Thank you very much.